We're here at Club Wyndham Ocean Walk in Daytona Beach, Florida, and we're staying in a 2-bedroom villa. Do you want to see what one looks like before your next stay? Well, be sure to stick around. I'm going to take you on a tour right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Before we get started taking a tour of room 832 here at Club Wyndham Ocean Walk in Daytona Beach, Florida, I want to let you know, on this channel, I provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, even if you don't own timeshare, but you love staying and visiting fantastic resort properties, I also do villa tours, resort tours, and resort reviews as well. So be sure to stick around, click on that subscribe button down below, and also hit that notification bell and select all, and you'll be notified when I post new videos. So let's head inside here. We're going to take a look at our villa, a 2-bedroom unit at Club Wyndham Ocean Walk. All right, heading into this 2-bedroom deluxe villa, the first thing we're going to notice is the dining room. Pretty good sized table here with 6 chairs, and right beside that you do have a pretty good closet here, home to the ironing board, broom, and dustpan, and some additional storage in here as well. Now right across from that is where you'll find the kitchen. Nice granite countertops, white cabinets, and black appliances. Really nice looking kitchen here. You do of course have full-size refrigerator, oven, range, microwave oven, and a full set of small appliances as well. Of course, you also do have here some dish towels and some welcome amenities. Hot chocolate, popcorn, salt and pepper in there as well. Now inside the cabinets here, actually these really nice white cabinets, you do have glassware, dinnerware for, it looks like maybe 10 people. Some of the things only had 8. So consistently I think you could serve up to 8 people in here. But it looks like there was 10 plates there, 10 coffee mugs as well. So, but yeah, plenty of dinnerware and glassware in this villa. And what kitchen wouldn't be complete with silverware and additional cooking utensils in the drawers, and some pots and pans available to you in the lower cabinets. As I make the way towards the guest bedroom and guest bathroom, we're going to take a look at the in-room laundry. Washer and dryer here, definitely handy to have when you're on vacation in Daytona Beach. Let's make our way now into the guest bedroom here in this 2-bedroom villa at Ocean Walk. Just 2 double beds in here. This bedroom was actually extremely large. We were quite impressed with the size. Lots of room at the foot of the bed. You do have a nightstand in between the beds there with an alarm clock and a lamp. But the television was very small here on top of dresser, and it was so far away, it was actually kind of comical. You could almost park a small car in this second bedroom. We actually checked in after dark, so I'm going to show you a view out here to the street at night, and then you can also see nice big bright windows, lets in lots of light, but our view unfortunately wasn't all that great. The guest bedroom also has a small closet, maybe for some extra storage or to put away your empty luggage. Now let's head in and take a look at the guest bathroom. Actually, kind of surprising, you do have a double vanity in here, plenty of towels, large mirror, and toilet, along with a bathtub with a shower. Now we're going to head over to the other side of this villa, and we're going to take a look at the master bedroom. Another really large room here. Lots of room at the foot of that king size bed there. Really nice headboard, a couple of nightstands, a ceiling fan, a chair over there in the corner, and a nice big window here that does let in a lot of light. And of course, you also have a chest of drawers there with another fairly small television up on top. And over here to the side, you do have a fairly good sized closet with some hangers, extra bedding, luggage rack in there, and where you'll find the in-room safe. Now as we head into the master bathroom, you'll notice here we just have a set of shutters that kind of close off that area to essentially where the jetted tub here is over in the corner. But there is no actual door that closes this area off from the master bedroom. So this area is essentially open to the master bedroom, but we'll notice here in a minute that the toilet is located in a separate water closet. But in here, like I said, you do have a nice jetted tub, double vanity, large mirror, and a fairly good size walk-in shower. And here is the toilet area behind this closed door. Now that we've taken a look at the kitchen, dining room, and both bedrooms, you're probably wondering, where's the living room? Well, I didn't forget about it. It's in there where the kitchen and dining room is, but I figured I'd show it to you before we head out to the balcony. Do have a good sized living room here, sofa that does pull out into a queen size sleeper sofa, couple of chairs, do have a side table and a kind of an interesting coffee table there as well. And you do have a flat screen television atop a TV stand. Now that we've seen the inside of the villa, now it's time to head outside and we're going to take a look at the view from the balcony. Okay, so here I am out on the balcony of our 2-bedroom villa here at Club Wyndham Ocean Walk. You can see we do have a little bit of an ocean view between us and the building next door. In fact, I actually think that is a diamond resort. Will it sometime be in the near future a Hilton Grand Vacation? I don't know. We'll see. But unfortunately, this balcony is a little small here. Just 2 patio chairs and a small patio table. There's not really a whole lot going on out here on the balcony. But you can also see we have a view up the street here too. But yeah, not too much happening out here. There is a plug-in over there though, in case some people are interested to know that. So are you planning a trip here in the near future? I'd love to hear all about it. Let me know down in the comments below. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out these videos. Also helps tell YouTube that you like these videos too, and to push you more just like it. And to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below for another video about Club Wyndham Ocean Walk here in Daytona Beach. Look at this one right up here and YouTube. They think you like that video down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.